We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx Imaging. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to clear a paper jam and the common causes of a paper jam on an HP Color LaserJet MFP M283 CDW. So follow these steps and watch for more. Alright guys, so the first step, what you're going to want to do, so you're going to want to open this top part right here, and you do want to make sure that you don't see any paper sticking out right here that would be easily accessible. Anytime you're clearing a jam, you want to go slow, and you want to be very, very gentle when clearing that jam. Otherwise, you can damage more parts and cause more jams. Alright guys, the second step, you're going to want to check the back. So here's your little handle, lift that, and open the back. I will warn you right now, this could be very, very, very hot, so please be very careful. If you see the paper sticking out, it would literally be right here. I want to mention, as you clear jam, make sure you go really slow and very gentle. Alright guys, last step, the very last one, you want to make sure to check the tray last because it does go against the natural paper path. Therefore, if you pull it from this way, you could damage parts inside the printer, causing the jams to be worse and repair costs to be more expensive. So make sure if there's anything right here, be very, very, very careful, but you do want to make this the last step when looking for a jam. All right guys, so now I'm going to show you the common causes of a paper jam. So if you do these steps, it'll help eliminate jams, but it won't actually eliminate them completely because it could be like parts that are needed, things like that. So open your tray. All right guys, so first thing is you have these little blue tabs here. These can adjust to the size of paper that you're using. Check this out. This tab will adjust for the size of media like envelopes, labels, postcards, whatever you're printing that's not normal paper size. So you want to make sure these are locked into place and that they're not movable. Another thing is these tabs right here that kind of come out a little bit, that's going to be your max level indicator. You never want to fill over or too close to that because it'll be really hard for the printer to pick up paper. Last but not least, anytime you are replacing paper or like adding paper to your tray, you want to completely take it out. If you just throw it in there, as you can see, it is not properly aligned. So what you want to do is you want to take your new paper and your old paper, mix it together, and then fan it out. That'll eliminate some condensation or humidity that's making the pages stick together. And then you want to align all at the same time and stick in the tray at one time. So do these tips and you can eliminate some jams. All right, guys, you've successfully cleared a jam and even learned some ways to eliminate some jams. Thank you for watching our video today and have a wonderful day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.